Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I am redoing the smaller patio that my canopy tent used to be on. Canopy tent is no longer. It was destroyed in a storm. And the patio, well, it's going to be something else. Let me show you. So what I did is I took up everything. The blocks, the power base right here, the actual pavers itself. Okay, went ahead and I put down landscape fabric. Then I've gone ahead and I've put down a border all the way around. All right, paver sand that I'm putting on top of the landscape fabric, and then the power base will go on top of that, and then we're going to put those pavers back on there. Before I forget, here in the borders you have those holes right there, those slots right there. Those are for spikes, and I've got those over here using these round anchored spikes. Yeah, we're getting it done. Everything that I use and the total amount of this project, I'm going to link in the description, just like I did the deck. If you haven't seen my DIY deck video, please go and check that out. Very informative, and I have no background in this stuff whatsoever. But if you don't try it, you'll never know if you can do it. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'm revamping this. We're about halfway done, and we're going to keep on going and knocking it out. All right. Let's get back at it. So after laying down the fabric, I went ahead and I put paver sand down on top of the fabric. And then I laid the black pads down here. Those are for pavers and tile. I just wanted to give it a better look than just leaving it on the ground. I wanted the tile up off the ground. As you can see, I went ahead, installed the white back around the border, and then we go ahead here and we've added gray for the center. They were out of white, which is okay. Feeling that the gray tile really gonna make it pop a little bit better. But yeah, a little zoomed in look. So these are the pavers. You just go ahead and connect them. Got little tabs on them. Real easy to do. But yeah, it's coming along nicely. Just picked up the rest of the pavers to finish this off, and that's what we're going to do. We're going to go ahead and we're going to fill these in and complete the top half of the patio. Alright, I'm going to have to adjust this side. I'm going to have to adjust this side. kick method. Not going to cut it. I've got to go ahead and adjust that end right there, that piece. Yep. So I've got to bring that border out a little bit, adjust that. This should slide in. All right, so I went ahead and see center rows here. So I made the adjustment over here, and I was able to slide that one back in. So for all intents and purposes, the patio is now complete. It's a level to the point where I can live with it. It's not totally square. It's a little off by like an inch or so. Mostly level, but that's okay. 435 subscribers. I appreciate y'all. Thank you for tuning back into the channel. Make sure you like, share, subscribe. If you're not a subscriber, please, you like these videos, think about subscribing. Jump on there. What are you waiting for? We'll see all of you on the next adventure. Take care, everybody.